Hello, y'all. So good to see you. Well, so good to be seen. Thanks for tuning in. We are, talking about some mushrooms. We're talking about how to cook some mushrooms, specifically our beloved, our favorite shiitake mushrooms. And you know what? This might just be our favorite way to make shiitake mushrooms. One of the reasons why this is our favorite way, it's very simple.
So good.
So good. It's so good because the shiitake stays whole, right? So we feel like it doesn't lose any flavor. So.
I want this right now.
Eat it. Do it. They're like, how is it?
This is definitely my favorite way to eat them. They're flavorful. They're buttery.
Yeah.
And they're crispy. And the way we make them ups the ante with the vitamin D.
So how do you make these things? Take your shiitake, cut off the stem as close as you can get to the cap. All right. Keep the stem. Use it for a broth. Use it for a stir fry. Stems are awesome. Don't throw them out. They're delicious, but we're looking for a stem-free cap here, right? And then, yes, could you put this whole cap in the oven and bake it? It's good, but it's not what this is, right? And that's because first you want to par dry them. You want to up the nutritious level. And so you're like, well, I don't have a dehydrator. You don't need one. You have the sun, right? Take a nice sunny day, right? Shiitakes, a lot of mushrooms do this. Shiitakes do it the most. If you put them gills up to the sun, right? Let those gills be exposed to the sunshine. You have something in here called ergesterols. So you can take those ergesterols and turn them into vitamin D2. How much are we talking? Can you up the vitamin D2 content in a shiitake mushroom? They have shown in 6 hours of sunshine, you can take the vitamin D level and up it 40 times. So when they've measured a mushroom at 1,000 IUs, international units of vitamin D2, after being in direct sunshine for 6 hours, you're talking about 40,000 IUs of vitamin D2. Amazing, all right? You can also put yourself in the sun and get some vitamin D3. We'll talk about that in another video. Vitamin D2 is awesome. It's not the same as vitamin D3, but it's a wonderful thing for the immune system. And then what you've done is you've kind of dried them a little. They're not all the way dry. And gang, you know what? We only put these in the sun for 3 hours, right? Obviously it hasn't gone 40 times, but it's done something and they dried out enough. And then you take this mushroom, put some butter in those partially dried gills, and then go ahead, put butter in each one, and then slip it in your oven, right? And bake them. That's all you got to do. What would you say? I don't know, around 15 minutes. Don't let them burn.
15,
Watch them. 20, 25, somewhere's in there.
Just keep an eye on them and make sure they get a little goldeny, but not brown.
Kind of crispy edges, right? Well, brown, but not burnt.
Don't let them get burnt.
Yeah, but you get a firm edge. And then they're like this almost chip. They've got some gooiness. All the flavor stays inside. Put a little salt on there and enjoy, and then be like, man, I wish I bought more. I want more. Because, we grow shiitakes, and there's never enough.
We never get tired of them. And I just, sorry to interrupt, but I just want to say, use them as a base for like a stuffed mushroom recipe. You can put anything on top, any kind of like creamy, yummy thingy on top. Like just an avocado, chicken salad, whatever you want.
Or you just have them on your own and enjoy the pure glory of.
Guys, let us know what it's like for you when you make these shiitakes in your kitchen. We'd love to hear how you like them.
So good. Do you guys like them? If you can't see on the video, our children are stuffing their faces with mushrooms right now.
Happy campers.
Thanks for watching. Enjoy.